people's opinion, whether they are friends, whether they are neighbors, whether they are relatives. So they are not able to form their own opinion, rather than they form the opinion of others, that what the others will think, whether
Yeah.
it is the peer pressure or it is the relatives or their in their own family. So how do you uh, mentor them so that this other people's opinion matter, but how you say to them or guide them that bifurcate these things so that you can that other people's opinion do not affect you personally.
No, as long as what I try to tell them is, as long as you have reflected and you know what your passions are and what your, your desires are, then you have to kind of follow that. People, again, it is not that everybody kind of may discourage you from doing something, or people may have a different opinion about you, but I think you need to reflect about yourself first. Self awareness becomes very important. And a lot of times I have observed is that people are not aware of their own self, the emotions that they go through, or their own passions. uh, Maybe they do not see what their purpose in life is, which is not so easy to kind of find. But at least they should be self aware, that what are their own emotions when somebody says something, what is the kind of emotion that they go through, and unless they are self aware, it is very difficult for anybody to kind of um, you know think whether they should really go ahead and do what they are doing, or they should not do it just because people around them are saying, oh, don't do this, this is not good, you're not like this, you're like this, and all that. So self awareness is something which I, and it is not just for people who get impacted with others are saying, but any individual who comes to me for coaching and mentoring, the first thing I kind of tell them is learn to be self aware,
Great, great, great.
learn to understand what your own emotions are before kind of becoming judgmental about something.